Apollo Ocean has made its way now to the new Mangalore port, and we on ground are bringing you the latest. Behind me, you'll be able to see this is an arrangement that's been made now by the new Mangalore Port Trust authorities to welcome Apollo Ocean that's been carrying LPG. While, of course, the LPG itself has come from Qatar now, we're picking up that this is a part cargo that's come from the Mundra port in Gujarat. Joining us right now is the entire team of the NMPT officials who've, of course, managed this. Sir, of course, I'll start with you and then with ma'am. We have with us the Deputy Conservator, the Deputy Chairman as well. Sir, I want to ask you, of course, if you could give us a little background of during this time, when we're seeing many countries aren't being able to, get crude oil, LPG, basics like that. A cargo, of course, has arrived at Mangalore today. The significance of this, sir, if you could just talk us through a little bit.
I think better if you
Sure.
take ma'am.
Yeah, basically if you see NMPA is the second largest handling of this LPG cargo. So that is why we are able to get this cargo. We were the primary person who were handling this cargo more apart from Calcutta port. So this ship has taken the cargo from the Mundra port, part cargo, and they'll be discharging 17,000 tons over here and taking the balance 9,000 to the Cochin port.
Okay. Sir, if I could ask you, this is the 40,000th vessel that's arrived. It's obviously a big feat, a big achievement. If you could take us through, how the past couple of days have been. Because, for a common man sitting at home, maybe the pinch is a cylinder. For someone else, elsewhere, maybe it's an auto driver not being able to, fill LPG in his auto. But I have to ask you, being officials, of course, on ground, sir, the past couple of days, how hectic has been? How has that entire, schedule been ever since we've started seeing vessels coming in?
I think for us it's business as usual. Of course, there are some dull times during this war period, but otherwise our cargo has not affected much because it is not that we are receiving vessels only from that area. Our port is open for all the vessels, so our business has been as usual.
Okay.
And our reason for assembling today is this is the 40,000 vessels. So that is the occasion we want to welcome this.
The 50th year of NMPA.
Yes,
Okay.
we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee here. In the from 1975 till 2025, we have completed 50 years. So today's occasion marks a landmark in our port's journey. So we have come here to welcome the captain. Captain can come here, and madam, this memento can be.
All right. Well, of course, it's quite a momentous occasion, so to speak, because during this time of the war, during the time of the crisis, when we see many countries still struggling to be able to get access to basics like crude oil, like LPG, like coal, and many other essentials that, of course, we are now starting to feel the pinch of as the common man. The country putting its foot first, making all efforts right now to try and ensure that the common man is eased of the burden that they've been facing. With British journalist Dilip, on board Apollo Ocean, this is Neha Bali signing off for Times Now from Mangaluru.